Hello, my name is Esther Maria Reyes Torres. I am 18 years old. I am living in the city of Santa Marta, Colombia, Caribbean region. I am psychology student. Today I am going to share with you what I did on my last Christmas, and I am also going to tell you a little about my beautiful Caribbean region. I spent Christmas with my family and friends. I did first and Castor, visiting my grandmother on the farm. I went out at party with my cousin and brother. I put candles on the 8th. I finally received "Do you surrounded by the person important to me, my family." The Caribbean region has tropical climates and means mountains. The food is amazing. It has many typical dishes and sweets, for example, arroz de coco, chicharrones, and one in particular I love and sancocho, of which I am going to share the recipe. For this we need yuca, potato, banana, garlic, onions, chili pepper, cilantro, cheese, salt to taste, pepper, and most importantly, the chicken. Preparation: water is boiled with the chicken for 5 minutes. Then the yuca, the yams, and the spices, chips, onion, garlic, chili, pepper, and salt are added. Boil for 20 minutes. Next add the potato, plátano, and cilantro, and boil until the plátano and potato are fully cooked. I invite you to come and enjoy this beautiful region, our beaches, our festival, our gastronomy, and about people cheerful, fun, and very humble. Thank you.